Yeah, so snan, yeah, as told in the book, no hot water should be poured on the head ever. Warm water or lukewarm water should be used for all our indriyas. All the indriyas should be basically washed with cold water is always better. Now, today research has proved this. If you see research by Stanford University, it has proved that people in the Arctic regions have in this area something called as brown fat or yellow fat. This brown fat or yellow fat is generated in our body if we shiver. So what today India has in general become a warm country. We have very mild winters, but if we have proper winters and we shiver in those winters, then our brown fat and yellow fat increases, which is very good for health. So then I tell people that if you are used to a hot water bath, then you do something, start the shower cold, shiver under it a little bit. It says 30 seconds, only 30 seconds of shivering every day is enough to build yellow fat and brown fat. And yellow fat and brown fat, they say yellow means it's brownish, it's dark yellow color. It sustains us and it helps us in our life. So bath, what is told in Ayurveda ki indriya and head, never bathe with hot water or warm water, always lukewarm and coldish water. And the rest of the body, I always tell, depending on your prakruti, if asked, if honestly, if I am asked, I will say bathe with cold water. I will never say bathe with hot water, because again it is prakruti of the patient. If a patient is pitta prakruti, I totally encourage them to have bath with cold water only, because a cold water bath also helps in reducing the pitta from the bahya roga marga. As you know, madam, we have abhyanta roga marga and bahya roga marga. So many a times the bahya roga marga also has to be cleared of that dosha. So if we give cold water baths to pitta prakriti, it's good. And kapha prakriti also, if we give cold water baths, then they will lose weight also. So in both ways, I tell, if you want to go according to Ayurveda and if you are not well and if you are a little tired, have a warm water bath, but see to it that don't have a very hot water bath.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was quite informative. And the style you spoke was very good, ma'am. Thank you.
Ramya ma'am has raised. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I had a doubt.
Yes.
All these days I was thinking that taking any type of bath doesn't affect our body. So today you have made it clear, taking bath in warm water is very much different from taking bath in cold or in a very hot water. We are not supposed to take hot water, that especially on our head, we should not pour the hot water.
These are our
Right.
indriyas, na?
And,
So, yeah.